Let us study about nonmetals. Carbon, sulfur, phosphorus are a few nonmetals. Generally, nonmetals are brittle and non-lustrous. Brittle means they can be easily broken down into pieces by applying pressure, and non-lustrous means they did not show a shiny surface, means when light falls on these elements, light does not reflect back, means they are non-lustrous. They did not possess shiny surface. Here are the examples of non-metal: oxygen, nitrogen, carbon, hydrogen, phosphorus, selenium, sulfur. So these are all non-metals. Physical properties of non-metals. At ordinary temperature, non-metals occur as solids, liquids and gases. Under solids, carbon, sulfur and phosphorus, they are included. Bromine comes under liquid state, and hydrogen, nitrogen and oxygen, they exist in gaseous state. So nonmetals exist in all three states: solid, liquid and gaseous state. Nonmetals do not have luster except diamond and iodine crystals. Some nonmetals are colorless while others have different colors. What is the color of carbon in the form of coal? It is black in color. Sulfur is yellow in color and bromine has brown color. Nonmetals are non-lustrous. Exception is diamond and iodine. Diamond and iodine crystals are having shiny surface. Some non-metals are colorless, but few are there which have different colors. For example, carbon has black color, sulfur exists in yellow color and bromine is brown in color. Brittleness. Take coal and hammer it so that you can see that coal can be broken down into pieces. Solid nonmetals are brittle. Some nonmetals are soft. Diamond, it is an allotrope of carbon. It is the hardest natural substance. So diamond is exception here. Nonmetals are neither ductile nor malleable. Nonmetals cannot be drawn into wires and they cannot be spread into sheets. Means they are non-ductile and non-malleable. Non-metals are bad conductors of heat and electricity except graphite. Graphite is an allotrope of carbon which is a very good conductor of electricity. Non-metals have low densities. Here is the diagram in which it has been shown that graphite is a very good conductor of electricity. Non-metals have low melting and boiling points. Exception: the solid non-metal carbon and boron melt at high temperature. Non-metals have low melting and boiling points except carbon and boron. Gold, silver, aluminium are highly malleable metals. A sheet with thickness 1 divided by 10,000 millimeter and a wire with diameter 1 upon 5,000 millimeter can be made from gold. Let us compare metals and non-metals. Metals are lustrous, non-metals are non-lustrous. Metals are hard except sodium and potassium. Sodium and potassium can be easily cut with the help of knife. Non-metals are generally soft except diamond. Malleability: metals, they are generally malleable. Non-metals are non-malleable. Metals are generally ductile. Non-metals are non-ductile. Metals are very good conductors of heat. Non-metals are poor conductors of heat. Metals are good conductors of electricity. Non-metals are poor conductors except graphite. Graphite is a good conductor of electricity. This chart will help you to remember the points easily. And you can write down this chart in your science practical copy. You can remember the properties, all the properties by this comparable chart. Metalloids. Some elements such as arsenic, As, silicon, Si, germanium, Ge, antimony, Sb have properties which are intermediate between metals and non-metals. Such elements are called metalloids. Metalloids are the elements which possess properties of both metals as well as non-metals. This is a periodic table in which metalloids are shown here by green box. Metals are shown by the bluish boxes and non-metals by yellowish color, and metalloids are shown by these greenish tinge boxes. Boron, silicon, germanium, antimony, these are all the examples of metalloids. Antimony, germanium, silicon. Solar panels are shown here, and solar panels use silicon as a metalloid in the manufacturing of it. So children, we have studied today metals, non-metals and metalloids. Thank you.